What's up guys, and welcome back to the first Sant'Agata Carspotting session after the Italian holidays. I have absolutely no idea on what we can expect to see getting out from the factory, even if I would love to see some beautiful new spec for the Temerario, maybe some interesting Revueltos, and yes, the big one, the Fenomeno. But apart from that, get ready for an amazing surprise for you all. Now, of course, I don't want to spoil you anything about that, so for the time being, let's stick to Lambos on the road. Holy, beautiful color and also kinda loud. Another Urus SE. Full black. Black wheels, black calipers, black body, black everything. Another one, a bull Temerario. Let's go! How cool is the Verde Scandal Temerario, guys, with the black roof? Finally, an interesting spec for the Urus SE. Check it out! Come on, that's too quiet! Aha, how about the Temerario? And oh my god, the first combo! Black Urus SE with orange accents, yeah! Wow, matte black with the orange details, amazing! An orange Temerario incoming, yes! What the hell was that? Like, did you see the camouflage rear bumper and the engine cover? That was so weird. Oh, finally, an orange Revuelto! Wait, does it have golden wheels? No way, what an interesting choice! Aha, bold choice for this Urus SE! No way, Urus and Revuelto all together! Hey! Holy, what a combo once again! Aha, there she is! Another interesting one. But sadly very quiet. There's no way my stupid camera stops working right when a camouflage prototype appears out of nowhere. Come on, that's not fair. I think I hear a V10. That has to be a V10. It is! I love the Huracan Performante, oh my god! Another one! Another Temerario! Ah, grey with the bold calipers! White Revuelto! Interesting, once again. That was some kind of Revuelto test mule, white body with the black engine cover. Time for another Urus SE, another dark one. Ooh, matte blue. Wow, yellow calipers, amazing. Oh, wow! Guys, check it out! It's a silver Temerario! I've never seen one of those! Guys, can you hear it? Okay, not the loudest, but still, we got to hear something, right? Oh, that's a bold one! This is definitely Verde Scandal! Oh, I like it! Just like the Verde Scandal Temerario we've seen a couple hours ago! Wait, what? Is that a yellow Revuelto? Uh-huh, I think so. With the wing up, the flex mode. Oh, what a spec on that Revuelto! Wait, it's our combo! Okay, black Urus SE with the red calipers. But yeah, the blue Revuelto was so much better. Another Urus. Not an interesting spec, but definitely a loud one, yes? Oh my god! Was that the first purple Temerario ever? Ooh, green Revuelto! Come on! Okay. Yes, sir! Bold orange Urus SE! Yeah, that should be the launch spec. And it doesn't focus anymore. Revuelto! Oh yeah! Big up for the test driver! Oh, could that be the Performante? Look at that beauty! Yeah, come on, the naturally aspirated V10 sounds way better. Than the Temerario, of course. Again, that's a beautiful spec on the Temerario. The Boldurus SE. Okay, but guys, with this one, I think it's now time for the big surprise. So without any further ado, let's switch position, and we are now in front of the main factory gate. And we are here for the not very famous, but still very interesting Supercars Tribe tour that will be full of Porsches, Ferraris, and yes, you guessed it, Lambos. Oh, I don't think that's part of the rally, but hey... The Performante! Oh my god! Guys, I think the guys are here! Revuelto! Oh my god, Aventador SV, Huracan! Oh, there is so many! That SV is not stock at all. Holy fuck! So the Lambo guys are parking right there inside the employee parking, and then we have, ooh, nice V12 GTS, a beautiful spec on the F8 Tributo, I mean F8 Spider, sorry. Okay, ooh, beautiful Porsche. And at the back we have a 296, what looks like a Pista, black on yellow. Wow, there is so many interesting cars here. Oh my god, take a listen to the SV. silver 296 GTS. Okay, that was a pista, matte black with yellow livery, yellow seats. Oh my god, so cool. And is this a speedster? Then this is so freaking rare. I love it. Just as much as I love the guys revving in the parking lot. And the beautiful blue on the V12 GTS here. Take a listen. Anyway, with this incredible tour, I think we are done for today, guys. Special thanks to Lambo for not letting me check the Urus SE right there. And as always, I hope you enjoyed the cars, the video, and see you guys in a few days.